Hello guys, you know who I am, I hope. Today I'm going to review the one lavalier mic that I had my eye on for a while now, and given the Amazon choice badging, I feel like I'm not the only one here. So this is the Boya BY M1, and this is the lavalier mic you should definitely check out when you are starting out making videos, as it is heavily discounted on Amazon right now, retailing for rupees 800, which is, well, it's a really great price. Hold on, let's see what you actually get inside the box. Get rid of the cardboard box viciously, that's key, and okay. I don't know why I was expecting to touch plastic, but my soft hands touched the fake leather pouch, which looks like Chris Evans in this lighting. With Sneak 100, you'll find the warranty card, which I'll need. That's the manual, throw it. I said throw it! Oh my god. Inside the pouch, oh, silica gel. I'll save that for later. And then these are the things that you get inside the pouch. The mic itself, like obviously. Okay, I see it. Let's keep that aside for now. And let's see. I see the foam cover for the pop-up pops, you know what I mean? And then what is this? This is the clip for the t-shirt or whatever the hell you wear. It's metal. Wow, me likey. What else do we have here? We have the battery, obviously, and then the big daddy of aux, which, well, some people call it the quarter-inch adapter. I mean, yeah, whatever. Okay, yeah, that's all. Let's start this sucker up. Whoops. So the foam wind cover, clippity clips, which brings me to the hardware part of the mic. Look, no doubt this is a cheap piece of mic, and my techity tech eyes obviously noticed that. The use of plastic, well, it's fine. It actually helps to keep the weight down, and I was actually surprised by how much metal there was in the whole unit. The clip, the whole control section is made up of metal casing, which I loved. What I did not love, well, I just hated this cable. It is cheap, and it's as cheap as a cable can get. It is plain thin rubber cable which is 20 feet long. 20 feet long. Now that surely gives the flexibility when using this outdoors, as you can move further away from the camera without losing sound quality, unlike when you're using a shotgun mic, for example. But given how easily they tangle, you are up for a good treat to untangle the cables before using them, unless you're good at managing cables like me. So the control, whatever this thing is, it has a switch that goes between the camera and the smartphone. So essentially, you can connect it to any device that has a 3.5-inch jack. And you can use this mic completely disconnected from the camera you are using and sync the audio in post, which is great for quicker movements in the set and send all the problem to the editor. But obviously, you can directly connect it to the DSLR or any camera you're using for that matter. You can also use this mic directly on your laptop if it has the single jack for headphones and mic. So this surely has a variety of ways to be used. So technical aspects, you have an omnidirectional mic up top here and not a cardioid mic, so that's something you can keep in mind. Labs are mostly omnidirectional, which means it picks sounds from all around, and well, you'd see all numbers, which honestly doesn't matter if it does not sound good. So, does it sound good? Good question. Now, okay, I don't know about good, I'll let you be the judge of that with these comparisons. Hi, so now my beautiful voice is being recorded in the Boya BY M1, which has been connected directly to the Canon 700D, which is one of the easiest way you can use this mic to record your lovely voice if you have one. And now I'm recording the audio on the Boya BY M1, which has been connected to my smartphone, the OnePlus 6, in the smartphone mode. So you can guess the audio how it goes, and this will be synced in post later, which has already been done in this video because, well, okay. And now you're listening to the audio recorded on my shotgun mic, the Tagstar shotgun mic, the video for which you can check up here. And it is another budget shotgun mic that you can use. It is definitely costlier than the Boya, but it is still a really good entry-level option if you want to use a shotgun mic. And now I'm recording with the in-camera mic of the Canon 700D. This is literally the worst thing you can do for audio, and it is in complete auto, so yeah, anything you do after this it's going to be better than this. Hello there, now we're out in the wild, which is definitely not my balcony. That said, we still do have really bad background noise, so it gives a good idea of how the mic actually performs in the outdoor environments. Now you're listening to the audio coming from the Tagstar shotgun mic that I have. So I know for a fact it's not the best outdoor performer, but a shotgun mic is still something you can opt for when you're shooting in the outdoors. So, and now for scientific purposes, I will obviously continue with the Boya. So talking about the sound quality, I mean, it's it's fine. More elaborately, I was not disappointed with how it sounds, especially indoors, compared to the Tagstar because it does not pick up that much of an ambient noise for obvious reasons. Yeah, it's a bit muffled. So that's what you get for 800 rupees, obviously, which is also after discount. So 800 muffled audio quality is to be expected. And well, it all depends on where you exactly place the mic in your collar or around your collar. My voice, it sounds a bit bass heavy, which I personally don't mind that much, but the lowers, the bass, they do have that harsh undertone, which is generally accepted from a mic that costs like 800 bucks. The audio surprisingly does not peak that much at higher volumes, which gives you room to edit it later on in the editor, obviously, and you can make it sound much better than you get it right out of the box. All said, I would like to remind you again, this costs only 800 freaking bucks, which is like a good price for a lavalier mic to start your videos with. And that said, since I'm smarter than you, I would like to suggest that you just like buy this mic and check it out for yourself. I don't think it'll cause much harm. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't ask me in the comment section down below because I wouldn't know myself. Anyway, thank you for watching. I am Samyak Bakliwal here, and okay.